Okay, so few months back, OnePlus declared OnePlus 7 series under EOL category. That means these phones won't receive any official update. But due to two major issues, or you can say bug, OnePlus have rolled out a new update for OnePlus 7 and 7T series. In this video, we'll take a look at what all things they have fixed with this new build and did they improve the performance on OnePlus 7 series. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
So here I have my OnePlus 7 Pro, which I have manually updated to latest build. So today also I updated the device manually using Oxygen OS Updater. So if you guys haven't received the OTA update, you can use the Oxygen OS Updater application, or you can join a Telegram group. I'll provide the links over there of the zip files. Talking about the OS information, so if you go to Android version, Android 12 is the last for OnePlus 7 series, and this update did not change the security patch, which remains December 5th, 2022. Only the version have been changed, which is H.40. And guys, before talking about the changelogs and other things, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to like a video and also make sure to subscribe to our channel. That will motivate us in making better quality content. So first let's talk about the benchmark results. So OnePlus 7 series having the same ColorOS code base, this device have never disappointed me. With Geek Benchmark application, you can see single core have scored 986 and multi-core scores are 2834. We see a lot of throttling issues on other OnePlus smartphones, but here I did an extreme test of 100 thread up to 60 minutes and you can see the performance of OnePlus 7 Pro. Maximum CPU throttled up to 85%, average gips were also quite high. And you can also see there are no major dips in the graph. So this is what I like about OnePlus 7 series. And with the previous build, a lot of users reported that the pop-up camera mechanism have stopped working for them, but there was no issues on my particular unit, even on the previous build. And you can see on this build also it works perfectly fine. And OnePlus 7 Pro never disappoints me in getting good quality images with perfect color accuracy and a good edge detection in portrait mode. And how many of you guys agree to it? Do let us know in the comment section below. Also, after the previous build, a lot of users did report about the security level under Widevine have changed to L3. But here you can see it's L1. After even this update, I have never faced any kind of issues on my OnePlus 7 Pro. If you open the Netflix application, this is still the device which gives you all the playback specifications like Widevine L1, and also we get the HDR10 support. There are some new brands which promise HDR support, but after even 1 year, those devices doesn't have the HDR support. I think OnePlus 7 series were the last smartphones which a lot of users like them. With this newer update, I also noticed better background management. I did try out many applications and most of the applications are still running in the background. Now let me show you the changelogs once. So there is nothing much added with this newer build. If I show you, there were few issues. One of them, the major issue was related to charging, wherein a lot of users, including me, had this charging issue. After 80%, device used to disconnect after every 5 to 10 seconds. But that thing has been taken care by OnePlus. So let me show you. I've connected the charger. Let me lock the screen, and here you won't see any kind of disconnection issues after this newer build. Device will continuously charge even after 80%, which wasn't happening with the previous build. So they have also mentioned this thing in the changelogs. If you see, first one under system, they say improve the stability and performance. Later they say fix an issue that might affect charging. So this was the issue wherein charging was getting disconnected, but now it has been fixed. And the last changelog is related to the application, though this wasn't the case on my unit, wherein people were not able to save the contacts. As I told you, I never had the issue, but if it was present for some users, then this has been taken care by OnePlus. At last, let's check about the gaming performance. So recently I made a video on 90 FPS support. So we know BGMI doesn't have the support of 90 FPS, but PUBG Mobile do have the support of 90 FPS. So here I have installed the PUBG Mobile, and let's check whether device constantly delivers 90 FPS or not. But avoid recording screen because screen recording doesn't support 90 FPS. So the FPS might drop again to 60. So here if you go to settings, graphics, you can see it supports smooth and 90 FPS. I'll also enable the FPS meter so you guys can keep a track on the frame drop.
Blue team has scored for the first time! Kill! Cover me!
So you guys must have seen device did not go below 85 fps in entire TDM, but device did get warmed up towards the top side. Let me show you. You can see the temperature, it's around 40 degrees Celsius, and towards the bottom side it's 36 degrees Celsius. But you all know right now it's summers, so this much device will obviously heat. So guys, overall a great update for OnePlus 7 series users, and you guys let us know whether you want a detailed video or a detailed review of OnePlus 7 Pro in 2023. If you guys agree to it, I'll drop a detailed review in upcoming days. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.